If I were to ask you, think of the most influential person that you know. Obviously, someone would pop into your mind. But could you break down the elements of what that person is doing to make you feel that way? My name is AJ Kulatunga. I'm a business strategist and professional keynote speaker. And for the past 10 years, I've been working with businesses, organizations, and people across 7 countries to help them reimagine the way their business could be done, to look at their challenges and turn them into opportunities for growth and innovation. So I have a bit of expertise in the area of persuasive communication, and that's what I'll be sharing with you in our upcoming session at this year's FAAA Congress in November to help you stay ahead of the curve. You'll be learning some of my favorite trust building principles to help you serve your clients better. These principles will help you position yourself in a way that your clients will be more likely to follow through on your advice and refer you more business. Now, who wouldn't want that? So I look forward to seeing you at our session. It's one of the first breakouts on the Thursday morning at 8:45 as part of the Develop stream. So make sure you grab a coffee and come join me for Winning Hearts and Minds, the Art of Influence for Financial Advisors.